Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to find deleted emails in Gmail. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. On the left sidebar, click on More, and you will see an option called Trash. Click on Trash. All your deleted messages will be visible here. Select the message and you will see an icon called Move To. Click on Move To and move it to any of the available folders. In my case, I told you just move it to the inbox. The email will be restored back to your account. If the email is not in the trash folder, it may have been permanently deleted or removed more than 30 days ago. In that case, click on the search bar at the top of Gmail, select the filter option, and choose All Mail to double-check other folders. If you still cannot find the email, recovery may not be possible, as Gmail permanently deletes emails after the trash retention period. And that's it. We just learned how to find and recover deleted emails in Gmail by checking the trash folder and understanding Gmail's 30-day deletion rules. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.